Okay, in this lesson we're going to export the static and animated GIFs for our banner sets here. So I'm going to close this one out that we just modified and open up set one post. And so the first thing that's the easiest is just to take and export the static banners. So these would be JPG files, and under Wise Banner Functions, if we select this and click play, but first make sure you don't have any other documents open. That's really important. So once we hit play, now this is where the one of the Photoshop JavaScript script files I created comes into play, because I created this custom dialog pop-up that lets us specify the banner set folder name. So if we call this Slack set 1, we'll just put JPG. We have the option to close all the documents after we save them, and the JPG quality here we can modify. I'm just going to leave it at 80, and then we can hit Save Banners. So it's going through all of these, and it's opening new windows, and it's saving them, save for web, and it basically collapsed all of these into layers. And now if we go to File Open, we'll see we have this new folder based on what we named it with all of our banners. Alright, so that's pretty simple. Now you don't want to save this because you won't be able to modify them. So I just exit without saving, and we can just open it again. And now to save the animated GIFs, all we can do is hit play. I'm not going to choose to close the documents. We'll just call this Slack set 1 animated, or actually I'll just call it GIF. Hit Save Banners. And so now it's going through, and this one takes just a tad bit more time. It's going through and creating a new document. It's duplicating the group for the banner, and it is creating all of them. So it's already done. What it does, if we go and look in here and open up Timeline, it took all the work that we did and basically manually adjusted this. And so one thing that's real important is, because this is all dynamic and automatic, I couldn't do too many crazy things in terms of animation. So if we go ahead and go to Open, and we take a look at, I'll just open this one right here. I'm going to drag this over here so you can see it. You can see it's a very basic animation. Sometimes I have it animate the objects themselves, but the title layer pretty much will always be there. So this is a very quick and easy way to get an animated banner. And so they're all saved here, as you can see. Let me go ahead and close this out. Oh, also, if you wanted to save these individually as PSDs, that way you can go ahead and modify these further. Because as you can see here, we have the keyframes and all this, and we could manually do other things in terms of animation. So that is it. Let me go ahead and close all of these. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this chapter. I have one more, just closing thoughts, and I hope for you guys to post any questions that you have in the forums. All right, thanks. Goodbye.